Welcome back to our channel where we explore the realm of natural remedies and nutritional superstars. Today, we're diving into something fascinating, the top 5 surprising health benefits of turmeric. You may have come across this golden spice before, perhaps even used it in your cooking, but did you know that turmeric offers incredible advantages for your well-being? Get ready as we uncover the remarkable world of turmeric. 1. Turmeric as an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Let's start with our first surprising revelation, delving deeper into turmeric as a potent anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It's all about curcumin, folks. This active compound found in turmeric is truly remarkable in its ability to combat inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response in our bodies. For instance, when you get a cut, swelling and redness occur as part of the healing process. However, when inflammation becomes chronic and persistent, it can lead to various health issues such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Enter turmeric and its hero, curcumin. Curcumin, responsible for turmeric's vibrant golden color, has been shown to inhibit several molecules in the body that contribute to inflammation. This isn't just theoretical, numerous scientific studies support this. For instance, a study published in the journal Drug Design, Development and Therapy compared curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties with those of conventional anti-inflammatory drugs, demonstrating similar effectiveness but with potentially fewer side effects. Another study, featured in the Wiley Public Health Emergency Collection, highlighted curcumin's ability to downregulate inflammatory responses in the body, scientific evidence that curcumin helps to mitigate chronic inflammation. Curcumin isn't merely a claimed anti-inflammatory, it's scientifically validated as one. However, here's a tip, curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body on its own. Nature provides a solution, pairing turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, enhances curcumin absorption. This simple addition can significantly boost the therapeutic benefits of turmeric. It's incredible to think that turmeric, a common spice possibly already in your kitchen, holds such potent scientifically backed anti-inflammatory properties. So why not sprinkle a bit of this golden wonder into your next meal? 2. Turmeric as a brain booster. Now, let's explore another impressive benefit of turmeric, its role as a brain booster. Yes, you heard that right, turmeric isn't just beneficial for your body but also for your brain. Remember our star compound, curcumin? Well, it's not only effective against inflammation, it also plays a significant role in brain health. Research indicates that curcumin increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone crucial for brain function. Reduced levels of BDNF have been linked to various common brain disorders such as depression and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin, by enhancing BDNF levels in the brain, has the potential to delay or even reverse the onset of these conditions and age-related cognitive decline. This isn't mere speculation, solid research supports these claims. A study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology demonstrated that curcumin improved memory and attention in healthy older adults. Another compelling study featured in Molecular Diversity Preservation International showed significant memory and attention improvements in adults with mild age-related memory loss after taking a curcumin supplement. These studies underscore curcumin's potency in turmeric as a brain enhancer. It's not just about boosting memory and attention, it could also contribute to maintaining and improving overall brain health as we age. We all experience moments of forgetfulness or mental fog, like walking into a room and forgetting why we went there or misplacing keys. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you might enhance your memory and reduce these cognitive lapses. While turmeric won't turn you into a genius overnight, every bit counts in maintaining brain health. Remember, combining turmeric with black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, ensuring you reap maximum brain benefits from this golden spice. 3. Turmeric as an antioxidant ace. Let's now explore another remarkable health benefit of turmeric, its role as a potent antioxidant powerhouse. You may have heard the term antioxidants tossed around in health discussions, but what exactly are they? Antioxidants are compounds that shield your cells from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Turmeric happens to be rich in these protective antioxidants. Free radicals can harm your cells through a process known as oxidative stress, which, over time, can contribute to various chronic illnesses like heart disease and cancer. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, acts as a powerful antioxidant that can counteract free radicals due to its unique chemical structure. But curcumin doesn't stop there, it also enhances the activity of your body's natural antioxidant enzymes. Essentially, curcumin not only fights the damaging free radicals but also supports your body's own defense mechanisms. These claims are backed by solid scientific evidence. For instance, a study published in the Archives of Pharmacal Research highlighted curcumin's antioxidant effects in protecting against liver damage, a common consequence of oxidative stress. Another study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences revealed that curcumin's antioxidant properties are even more potent than those of vitamins C and E, which are renowned for their strong antioxidant capabilities. Furthermore, research published in the same journal demonstrated that curcumin can help mitigate age-related oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of age-related diseases such as heart disease, Alzheimer's, and certain cancers. This underscores turmeric's potential in promoting overall health and longevity. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're also giving your body a much-needed boost of antioxidants. Stay tuned as we uncover more surprising health secrets of turmeric, nature's powerful ally for well-being. 4. Turmeric as a heart health hero. Now, let's explore another incredibly impressive benefit of turmeric, its role in promoting heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death globally, a complex condition influenced by various factors. Turmeric, specifically its active compound curcumin, has the potential to positively impact many of these factors. One crucial aspect of heart health is the proper functioning of blood vessels, also known as endothelial function. The endothelium, a thin membrane lining the interior of the heart and blood vessels, plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure and preventing clotting, among other functions. Research indicates that curcumin can enhance endothelial function, thereby potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism demonstrated that curcumin was as effective as exercise in improving endothelial function in postmenopausal women. Similarly, research featured in the British Journal of Pharmacology showed that taking a curcumin supplement before and after heart surgery significantly lowered the risk of heart attack. However, it's important to note that while turmeric can complement heart-healthy habits, it should not replace a healthy lifestyle or prescribed medications. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing heart disease or other health conditions. 5. Turmeric in joint pain. Now, let's uncover another incredible benefit of turmeric, its role in relieving joint pain. Joint pain, particularly from conditions like arthritis, can severely impact your quality of life due to pain, stiffness, and reduced joint function. However, turmeric might offer the relief you've been seeking. Our star compound, curcumin, boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate joint pain and reduce inflammation. Arthritis, which affects millions worldwide, is characterized by joint inflammation. Given curcumin's natural anti-inflammatory effects, it's no surprise that it can help combat arthritis. Several studies support this. For instance, a notable study published by the British Association of Sport and Exercise Medicine found that curcumin was even more effective than an anti-inflammatory drug in relieving pain for patients with knee osteoarthritis. Imagine that, a natural compound found in a common spice outperforming a pharmaceutical drug. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that patients with rheumatoid arthritis who took curcumin experienced significant reductions in pain and inflammation. While these results are promising, always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your treatment plan. If you're dealing with joint pain or arthritis, adding turmeric to your diet could potentially provide some much-needed relief. And there you have it, the top 5 surprising health benefits of turmeric. This golden spice is truly a treasure trove of benefits, and we've only just scratched the surface. Did these health secrets surprise you? Or perhaps you have your own turmeric tales to share. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any turmeric tips you might have, so don't be shy. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.